Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Patternpapi, and I'm back with another one. I got another sneaker review, and this time we got a goodie. I'm proud of this one. You know, I haven't been looking at any Yeezys for the longest. It's been a minute since I copped a pair of Yeezys, but we're finally back with another one, so let's get it. For a while, I haven't been looking at any pair of Yeezys. The last pair of Yeezys I looked at was the first Wave Runners that dropped a while ago, and those were the last ones I wanted, but I could never actually get them. And then I stopped actually looking at Yeezys for a while. I just stopped looking at it because I felt like they were actually kind of how can I say it, like almost recycling the same models and the same shoes. You kept saying like different variations of the same shoe, and I just didn't want to collect all of those. I wasn't I'm a fan of the shoe, and I'm a fan of Yeezy sometimes, but yeah, I didn't have a plan to basically collect the same shoe over and over again. I remember when Yeezy actually dropped a tweet. He dropped a tweet not too long ago, and basically he was showing his future runnings, like the future clothes that was coming out and everything, the future kicks and everything. And one of the shoes that was there was these bad boys. And I remember the first thing it was like so many colors of these, and it was just like, what the hell are those? Those look like Crocs. Like, what are those? That look crazy. Those look like knockoff Crocs. That's the first thing at least that I thought. You know, the first thing I thought was like, these are diet Crocs. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is weird. I'm not a big fan of these. But as the months were going on, and Kanye was on his thing, you know what I'm saying, more images started dropping to the shoe, and I'm still thinking, oh, Crocs. These are Crocs, dude. They're just, Yeezy is really going into lifestyle, and he's dropping his own pair of Crocs. But I noticed one big difference. There's no sport mode. Crocs do have sport mode, which is a very important mode when you're wearing Crocs. So, you know what I'm saying? Think of that. That's one of the biggest differences when you're thinking about this shoe and a pair of Crocs. You heard? But back to the subject. These are probably the lowest priced Yeezys that we're either ever gonna see, or that we've ever saw, a period. These were, I think these retailed around like 80 bash. Yeah, about like $80, and then right now they're reselling on StockX for about like $400, $500. Is it worth it? The 80 bucks? Yes, it is. I'll tell you, yeah, it was definitely worth the $80. This is the shoe of the summer. I am deeming this the shoe of the summer because of its all-terrain. Literally, you can wear this with anything you want, once again. And y'all know me. Y'all know how I give it up. You know what I'm saying? I love my shoe. I have to be able to wear it with whatever I want. You know what I'm saying? I don't want it to be like, hey, you know, I'm just gonna wear it here and there. No, it has to be with everything, including, you know, come on. I haven't worn it, but nah, I'm not even gonna make that promise. But let's think back on that promise. Another thing I'm actually a big fan of is, one thing I'm a really big fan of is the box. The box is dope, man. It's like a reverse of regular Yeezy boxes. There's no labels or anything on the outside. It's completely hidden on the outside. You would think it's just like a regular UPS package or something, but no, it's a pair of Yeezys, and they put everything on the inside, which is cool because it's like, if you want to, I feel like you can actually take the box apart and maybe like kind of reverse it, and then you know what I'm saying, just if you want the logos on the outside. But me, I kind of like it clean like this, you know what I'm saying? I don't want nobody stealing my shoes if it gets sent to me, you know what I'm saying? I guess I remember the first Yeezys I bought, I think it was the 750s. I remember like they just sent it to me like in the box. They just pretty much taped the box, like you knew it was Yeezys in it. But luckily I got it. But yeah, you can also see it has the sizing and everything on the inside and everything. Like, it's literally like a dope box. I feel like I know where Kanye was going with this one. It kind of fits the theme of being really caring of the environment, recycling and everything. I really liked what Kanye did with this whole box. So what do I like about the shoe? First sights, I'm not gonna lie, I picked this joint up, and I ain't gonna front. I thought I was a quarterback, you know what I'm saying? I was really launching this bad boy, you know what I'm saying? But actually, the thing is, the reason why I was doing that is because I was trying to test how light the shoe was. I noticed I always done that ever since I've been playing football. Anytime I pick up a shoe, for some reason, the first thing I do is just palm it as if I have a football in my hand, and I literally just, you know, I don't know. I did not play quarterback in high school, by the way. I played receiver and linebacker, so it's just funny. It's just funny that I do that. The first sight of the shoe, dope thing is, the shoe is made from the same material all around. All around is the same material. It's a mixture of algae and EVA foam, I think. Yeah, and it's basically the whole thing, and it's literally light. I think if I can say this is probably about like 2 pounds, or maybe less, like maybe a pound. But this is like super light, and it feels like a Yeezy shoe. You know, you put it on and it literally molds to your feet. Like the inside feels very comfortable. I think it might have memory. I think it has memory foam in it. You know what I'm saying? It's very soft. As soon as you put it on, it literally molds to your feet. It's definitely renewable and great for the environment. One thing that, one cool touch that they put on it is like this little like cork wire or cork rope that they have on here. And basically it's like, I feel like it has a play on the environment also. It's like something that's very recyclable. You can just cut it and literally recycle it immediately. I think you can recycle the shoe too. Also, that'd be super dope if Yeezy actually did the thing where after you wear these for a while, you could probably turn it in and recycle it maybe for a new pair or something like that. But knowing the shoe game today, that's probably never gonna happen. Basically, it's a play on the Yeezy Boost 700, the Wave Runners, the last Yeezys that I was actually looking at, and I think that was one of the reasons why I immediately gravitated to the shoe. The sole of that shoe I really like. I love how bulky it is. It kind of started the wave for the little ugly dad sneaker trend shoe that most people were doing before the pandemic, and probably are kind of doing now. I think most people are doing like skate shoes now, but that was one thing that gravitated towards me. So the holes in the shoe are, I know you can look at these holes and be like, yo, what the hell is going on? There's mad holes in these shoes. You can easily think of it as like a slipper, or it can be ugly or anything like that. But actually, to me, the holes are very aesthetically pleasing. It looks like a freaking spaceship, bro. It looks pretty dope. And what the holes are very good for actually is basically when you're stepping in the shoe and you're turning it around, it basically corks to it like contorts to your foot and everything, so you're never out of place or uncomfortable or anything like that. So those holes are like very important, you know what I'm saying? You can literally wear these anywhere, the beach, to the shower, to the pool. You can literally wear this wherever you want, to a game. Sizing, I would say stay true to size. I'm 11. The 11 fits perfectly. I would wear this with socks, please. Please do not wear these without socks. And the reason why I'm saying that is because, come on now. Who's wearing, you wouldn't wear shoes without socks. This is like a shoe. It does have slipper vibes, but it's still a shoe. You want to treat it like a shoe, so please wear socks when you're wearing these. And then, luckily, this time I actually have some outfits for us, which is really dope. This is the first time I'm gonna do it. We've got some fits. I got 4 fits for this shoe. All of these fits are clothes that I picked from the thrift shop, certain things that I went to go pick up that I thought basically fit the mold, things that I thought went well with the shoe. So yeah, let's get to it. Check these fits out. Basically, these are the fits that I have. These are the fits that I came up with the shoe. I really hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, if you guys, like I said, if you guys mess with me, if you guys like the fits, if you guys like the shoes that I review, if you guys just like hearing me talk, you like the music in the background, you like the way my room looks, you like it that I have anime playing in the background, whatever it is, make sure you shoot a like, and also that subscribe button. That'll help me out. That'll be amazing. This is still the beginning of my YouTube journey, and you know, I look forward to continuing this journey with you guys. Peace and love, y'all. I'm out of here. Go long, bro.